Archer Aviation. Let's deep dive into Archer's Midnight aircraft. Hold up. As an eVTOL family, we now have a community of over 1,000 subscribers, and we're growing. We're dropping 2 videos a day and we plan on scaling up, just like Archer and Joby, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. So guys, this video has been in the works for some time now, but I've done an extensive breakdown of Archer's Midnight aircraft and I want to share it with you. So whether you're a beginner in the industry or you're a die-hard eVTOL investor, I promise you'll find something valuable in this video for you. So please keep your ears open. The whole world of urban air mobility is on the cusp of revolutionising how we navigate cityscapes. Archer Aviation is one of the leaders in this transformative journey, and we're going to dive into its flagship project, Midnight. As we delve into the intricacies of the aircraft's design, operational capabilities, and the broader implications of the urban transportation, we'll also explore not only the technological advancements, but also the societal, environmental, and economic shifts that such innovations promise. Midnight is designed to operate in urban air environments for short commutes. We'll start an extensive exploration into the current state, technological advancements, and a dive into the strategic plans of Archer to have Midnight's first manned flight in December of this year. Archer Aviation's Midnight eVTOL integrates a design ethos that marries functionality with aesthetic appeal. It's inspired by elegance of classic aviation. The aircraft features a streamlined fuselage, a sleek wing structure, and a distinctive vertical light on the nose. This not only serves as a branding element, but also enhances visibility during the flight phases. Midnight is designed to carry 4 passengers plus a pilot, optimizing a balance between capacity and energy efficiency. The aircraft frame is a testament to lightweight composite materials, ensuring minimal weight while maximizing strength. It is equipped with 12 propellers, 6 of which are tilting, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing, followed by efficient horizontal flight. This design significantly reduces the aircraft's acoustic footprint, a critical factor for urban air operations. Midnight is designed for comfort. The cabin offers luxury seating for the passengers and the pilot, with panoramic views through large windows, which also enhances the passenger's experience. The heart of Midnight lies in its all-electric propulsion system, which not only eliminates carbon emissions, but also reduces the operational cost compared to traditional helicopters. The integration of high-density, high-voltage battery packs has been pivotal, with Archer leveraging its own manufacturing capabilities in San Jose to produce these critical components. Speaking about autonomy and control systems, the Midnight employs advanced avionics with 4 independent flight controllers, ensuring redundancy for safety. Continuous optimization of control laws through the flight testing aims to enhance Midnight's flight stability, efficiency, and safety, particularly during transition phases from vertical to horizontal flight. Archer's Midnight has successfully transitioned from vertical takeoff to wing-borne flight, and then back to landing, achieving speeds of over 100 miles an hour, which is vital for its intended use in urban air environments, where speed will be of the essence. Flight tests have proven the aircraft's capability for high-rate operations with rapid turnaround times between flights, which will be essential for the commercial viability in any taxi service. Let's now explore the safety testing. This has been hard as there's not much information on it yet, as we're still in the prototype phase, but there's been extensive acoustic testing being carried out to ensure that Midnight's noise levels are acceptable for urban air settings, with strategic positioning of propellers and noise cancellation technologies. The safety landing dynamics of Midnight have been assessed in various wind condition simulations to ensure that the aircraft can land safely and precisely under all circumstances. Let's now explore the more exciting stuff around Midnight and what strategic partnerships Archer have entered the aircraft into. Let's also explore how Archer intends to scale it up. Archer's partnership with Stellantis at Covington, Georgia facility is not just about manufacturing. It's about scaling up to meet demand for up to 650 Midnight eVTOLs per year. This will signal a strong belief in the market readiness for eVTOL services. This will then require urban air integration and vertiport development, which Archer are already on the ball with at various locations. One of which is San Francisco, where Archer plans to include integrating with existing infrastructure like SFO and developing vertiports close to tech hubs. This will provide seamless connection between ground and air travel. Another city of focus is Los Angeles, where collaborations with major sports teams and FBOs aim to leverage existing facilities to include eVTOL services. This will then enhance connectivity within a sprawling city. It's not just about the US though. The ambition to launch in high density, high traffic cities like Dubai and Seoul underscores Archer's global vision, where urban congestion issues meet high demand for innovative transport solutions. I now want to explore the military and emergency service applications of Midnight. In relation to military service, the US Air Force acquisition of a Midnight for testing opens up possibilities for roles in special operations, medical evacuations, and reconnaissance missions, where the aircraft's stealth flight capabilities in terms of noise and operational costs provide significant advantages over traditional helicopters. In relation to first responder utility, the potential of a Midnight in emergency services is vast, offering quicker, quieter mode of transport for critical situations, from firefighting to medical emergencies, potentially saving lives through reduced response time. Let's now dive into an important concern for current Archer investors. Let's now look at the regulatory and safety considerations. FAA certification path is one of frustration amongst us investors. However, Archer has been closely working with the FAA, having surpassed significant testing phases. The next step involves piloted flights, which are crucial for obtaining the necessary certifications to commence commercial operations. This is planned for this December. Looking at safety concerns, Archer's approach to safety goes beyond compliance. The company aims to exceed safety norms by implementing rigorous testing, redundancy in critical systems, and the culture of continuous improvement in safety protocols. Before we get into the economic and environmental impact, can you please drop in the comments if you have any more information on safety or any links to articles about the safety systems in Midnight that I can further explore. Thank you for helping me, guys. Let's now do a cost analysis of Midnight and look at the environmental benefits. By targeting a pricing model competitive with luxury ground transport, like your black cabs and like your yellow taxis, Archer aims to make eVTOL services accessible, potentially transforming urban commuting from a luxury to a necessity for time-sensitive travellers. The all-electric nature of Midnight supports the global sustainability goals, offering a cleaner alternative to combustion engine vehicles, thereby reducing urban pollution and noise. This next bit's one for the bears, and they'll love it. But if you're a bull, make sure to tell me in the comments how we can overcome these challenges and criticisms of Archer's rollout of Midnight. So at number 1, we have infrastructure development. One of the most significant challenges for Archer is the need for an entirely new type of infrastructure. We're going to call them vertiports. These must be integrated into existing urban landscapes without disrupting them. At number 2, we have public acceptance. Despite technological readiness, public perception remains a hurdle. Concerns over noise, safety, and privacy in urban settings needs addressing. I think through education, demonstration, and regulation, this can be overcome. And at number 3, we have regulatory landscape. While Archer makes strides with the FAA, the regulatory framework of eVTOLs is still forming, potentially leading to delays or modifications in operational plans. I know the bag of holding doesn't believe we'll get through regulation. So enough about hurdles, let's get into the future prospects and technological roadmap. So speaking about the evolution of Midnight, future iterations of the aircraft might see enhancements in battery life, autonomous capabilities, or even modular payloads for varied commercial uses. This is a thought about other models, but while currently being focused on bringing Midnight to the market, Archer's vision likely includes exploring successors or complementary eVTOL models tailored for different markets or operational needs. However, if successful, Archer's initial Midnight model could influence urban planning. This could encourage cities to start designing with eVTOL integration in mind. This will then start affecting real estate prices, tourism, and daily commuting patterns. Archer Aviation's Midnight eVTOL stands at an intersection of innovation, necessity, and future urban mobility. As of today, the project is not just about introducing a new mode of transportation, it's about reimagining city life, sustainability, and economic efficiency. The challenges are multifaceted though, involving technology, regulation, infrastructure, and societal adaptation, but the progress made thus far indicates a promising trajectory. The Midnight could very well be on the edge of a new era, where the skies become as much part of our daily commute as roads and rails, and this offers a glimpse into the future, where urban living is redefined by efficiency, sustainability, and a new sense of freedom through vertical mobility. Do you want to hear Adam's vision for Midnight? Well, I've got you covered, and I've got an interview for you here, So I'll meet you there next.